Hello, UT Warriors. How are you all doing? Do you often feel out of breath after a short burst of activity or find it hard to keep up with your daily tasks? Improving your stamina can significantly enhance your energy levels and overall quality of life. The best part is you can boost your stamina naturally with some simple lifestyle changes. Today, we're exploring how to improve your stamina naturally. Building stamina isn't just for athletes, it's essential for everyone, helping you stay active, productive, and energized throughout the day. Let's dive into why it's important and how you can improve your stamina naturally. Benefits. Here are some key strategies to help you improve your stamina naturally. Stay active, engage in regular physical activity, incorporate exercises like brisk walking, running, cycling, or swimming into your routine to build cardiovascular endurance. Eat a balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning optimally. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Proper rest is crucial for muscle recovery and overall energy levels. Practice deep breathing. Incorporate deep breathing exercises or yoga into your routine to improve lung capacity and oxygen intake. Pace yourself. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Avoid overexertion, which can lead to burnout and injuries. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building stamina. Make exercise a regular part of your daily routine. Monitor progress. Keep track of your workouts and progress. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Manage stress. Practice stress relief techniques like meditation, mindfulness, or hobbies you enjoy to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. Rest when needed and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Examples. Let's take an example. Meet Raj. Raj wanted to improve his stamina to keep up with his active lifestyle and demanding job. By incorporating regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and practicing deep breathing exercises, Raj noticed a significant improvement in his energy levels and endurance. He felt more capable of tackling his daily tasks and enjoying physical activities without feeling fatigued. Call to action. Now it's your turn, Ute Warriors. Start implementing these natural strategies to improve your stamina and experience the benefits for yourself. Share your journey with us in the comments below or tag us using chart Ute Warriors Stamina. Let's boost our stamina and stay energized together. That's it for today, UT Warriors. Keep shining, keep earning, and as always, stay unstoppable. Catch you in the next one.